Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to dive into one of my absolute favorite essential oils with you today, lavender. Now you probably think of relaxation and sleep when you hear lavender, right? And that's definitely a big part of its magic. But what if I told you lavender has incredible powers you've never even imagined? I want to share a story with you that truly opened my eyes to the real, life-changing potential of lavender. A dear friend of mine was miles offshore on a fishing boat when her little boy suddenly started struggling to breathe. Imagine the panic. No doctors, no hospitals, just the vast ocean. She remembered hearing that lavender might help support clear breathing, and with no other options, she reached for her bottle, and what happened next was truly remarkable. Within moments, his breathing started to steady. It's stories like this that shows us lavender just isn't about a nice smell. It has some truly powerful properties. So today we're going way beyond just relaxation. I'm going to reveal some of the real secrets behind lavender essential oil, specifically focusing on doTERRA, and give you practical tips on how to safely unlock its full potential. Trust me, some of these might even surprise you. We're talking unexpected uses you'll want to know. So what makes lavender so amazing? It's all in the science. First up, skin health. Lavender is fantastic for calming skin irritation, reducing redness, and even helping to even out your complexion. Think about those annoying little bumps or that occasional redness. Wouldn't it be great to have a natural go-to? Lavender's natural compounds work to soothe and support your skin's healing process. Next, clear breathing. Especially during those pesky allergy seasons, lavender can be a real comfort. It helps to promote feelings of open airways and easier breathing. Want a quick trick for this? Stick around, I'll show you a simple way to use it. Its calming aroma can also help relax the muscles in your respiratory system. And of course, we can't forget stress and head tension relief. Got those stressful moments or that nagging head tension? Lavender is perfect for those times. Just a simple inhale can make a world of difference. Have you ever tried it directly from the bottle? The aroma interacts with your brain to promote feelings of calm and relaxation. And here's a bit of a surprise for some of you. Lavender can even be used as a natural cleaning agent. It's powerful yet gentle, making it a great addition to your DIY cleaning sprays. Stay tuned for a super simple recipe. You can make it in minutes. Its natural properties help to disinfect and leave a fresh, clean scent. Now, before we dive into how to use it, it's important to understand that not all lavender oils are created equal. The quality of your oil directly impacts how effective and safe it will be. So here's what to look for. You want to choose CPTG oils, which stands for Certified Pure Tested Grade. This is doTERRA's standard, and it ensures the oil has gone through rigorous testing for purity and potency. Always check the label and make sure it clearly says Lavandula augustifolia. This is true lavender and is generally considered the best for a wide range of therapeutic uses. And if you really want to be sure, look for a batch number on the bottom of your doTERRA bottle. You can actually go onto the doTERRA website, enter the batch number, and see the purity testing results for your specific bottle. How cool is that? Okay, let's get into how to actually use this amazing oil safely and effectively. Here's my 3-step guide to safe and effective lavender oil use. Step 1, dilute properly. This is so important. Lavender oil is potent, and diluting it with a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil helps your skin absorb it better and prevents any potential irritation. For adults, a good starting point is 1 drop of lavender essential oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. If you have sensitive skin, you can always use more carrier oil. And for children, you'll want to double that amount of carrier oil. So 1 drop of lavender to 2 teaspoons of carrier oil. It's always better to start with less and add more if needed. Step 2, knowing your application methods. You've got a few options here. Aromatic use is fantastic. Just add 4 to 5 drops of lavender oil into your diffuser, and it will fill your space with those beautiful calming aromas. perfect for bedtime or anytime you need to distress. Topical use is also super effective. Remember to dilute it first. Then you can apply it directly to your pulse points, your temples if you have head tension, or directly onto areas of skin irritation. Step 3. Test for sensitivity. This is a simple but crucial step. Before you apply lavender oil or any new essential oil liberally to your skin, always do a patch test. Just put a small diluted amount on a small area of your skin, like your inner forearm, and wait about 15 to 20 minutes to see if you have any reaction. Better safe than sorry. Now let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid when using lavender oil. Please never use fragrance grade oils. These are often filled with synthetic additives and won't give you any of the real wellness benefits of pure essential oil. They can even be harmful. And this is important. Avoid internal use unless the oil is clearly labeled safe for ingestion, like doTERRA's CPTG oils. However, even with doTERRA's ingestible oils, always follow their specific safety guidelines on the bottle. When in doubt, stick to aromatic and topical use. And finally, never apply lavender oil directly to your skin undiluted, especially on sensitive skin or on children. Always dilute. Okay, now for some fun. Let's talk about some creative DIY lavender recipes you can try. For those seasonal sniffles, try an anti-allergy roll-on. Combine lavender, peppermint, and lemon essential oils in a roller bottle and top it off with fractionated coconut oil. It's so soothing for a restful night's sleep. Make a relaxing pillow spray. Just mix some lavender essential oil with distilled water in a spray bottle and lightly mist your pillow before bed. It smells so heavenly. If you're feeling stressed, try a stress relief roll-on. Combine lavender with frankincense and wild orange essential oils in a roller bottle and fill the rest with a carrier oil. It's so calming. And for a little indulgence, you can even make a lavender latte. Just add a tiny drop of food-grade doTERRA lavender oil to your milk before you froth it. It adds a beautiful calming flavor. Let's quickly bust some common lavender myths. Lavender is only for calming. Wrong. It's amazing for skin, cleaning, and even cooking when using food-grade oils like doTERRA. Myth. Internal use is safe for all essential oils. Definitely not true. Always verify the oil safety standards and follow brand-specific guidelines like doTERRA's. Myth. More is better when it comes to essential oils. Actually, a few drops are usually plenty. They are very potent. And finally, let's touch on some surprising uses of lavender oil. You can actually use lavender in hair care to help strengthen your hair. It can also be wonderful for pet care. Diffusing lavender can help calm anxious pets during stressful situations like thunderstorms or car rides. And of course, it offers amazing emotional support, helping to promote feelings of peace and balance throughout your day. And as we mentioned, you can get creative in the kitchen by adding a touch of food-grade lavender oil for a unique gourmet twist to your dishes. So as you can see, lavender essential oil truly has incredible potential that goes way beyond what most people realize. Ready to experience these amazing benefits for yourself? I've got a special link below where you can save 25% off doTERRA oils. Plus, you can download my free PDF, 10 simple essential oil recipes for everyday wellness. You can find the link for that in the description below. If this video helped you unlock the power of lavender, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more wellness insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. I'd love to hear from you. What's one surprising way you've used lavender oil or are excited to try? Share your tips in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and happy oiling.